Rongali Bihu, which is the most important festival of Assam, is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Assam. Apart from Assam, Bihu festival is also celebrated in a smaller or bigger form in other states of the northeast. Meghalaya, which was once a part of Assam, celebrated the festival with the same zeal and enthusiasm by the Assamese community in Meghalaya. The Bihu festival was organized on a grand scale in the Laban Bishnupur area of Shillong, in which men, women, youth and children performed the Bihu dance in traditional costumes.
Festival, and this is the life of Assamese community, and like many other communities, the Assamese also they celebrate Rongali Bihu throughout the state of Assam as well as other states. In fact, throughout the world, wherever the Assamese community is there, they are celebrating this Bihu. Here in Shillong, we are celebrating since 1956. It's very old during Assam time, and we have been celebrating for a long time. And this Bihu we started in Garrison Ground, then Lady Hyder Park. Like that, ultimately we are celebrating here.